Welcome to BigONE Weekly News Update. I'm Sophia. The past week was marked by extreme fluctuations in the cryptocurrency market, with Bitcoin (BTC) plunging to $91,000 on Monday before bouncing back to close at $96,500, reflecting a 1.27% weekly decline. Ethereum (ETH) fared even worse, suffering an 8.44% drop, closing at $2,640, while Solana (SOL) dipped by 1.57% to settle at $200. The downturn affected most altcoins, though there was a bright spot. TST, a test meme coin launched on Binance Chain, experienced a sudden surge over the weekend, briefly reigniting market enthusiasm. Trump's tariff announcement shakes global markets. A major trigger for the week's volatility was Donald Trump's unexpected announcement of a 25% tariff on imports from Canada and Mexico, which sent shockwaves across global financial markets, including cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin plunged to $91,000, while Ethereum lost more than 20%, falling to a low of $2,100. Massive on-chain liquidations on AAVE and other lending platforms further weakened Ethereum's performance, pushing the ETH/BTC ratio below 0.025 for the first time. Ethereum ETFs surged past Bitcoin ETFs in institutional inflows. Despite its price slump, Ethereum saw a surge in institutional interest. US spot Ethereum ETFs attracted more than double the inflows of Bitcoin ETFs, signaling growing confidence among investors. Ethereum ETF inflows, $409 million. Bitcoin ETF inflows, $173 million. This divergence suggests that institutional investors may be capitalizing on CME-basis trading opportunities and that traditional finance and crypto-native participants hold differing views on Ethereum's future potential. Diverging trends in CME futures: Ethereum surges, Bitcoin stagnates. Between November 2024 and early February 2025, CME Ethereum futures open interest skyrocketed from 352,000 ETH to 1,130,000 ETH, largely driven by leveraged Ethereum ETFs like ETHU, 2x leveraged ETH ETF. Conversely, CME Bitcoin futures saw little movement, with leveraged BTC futures ETFs experiencing net outflows. This divergence suggests that Ethereum remains an area of speculative interest, despite its underperformance in spot markets. Market sentiment weakens for Ethereum. A stark contrast can be seen in funding rates for perpetual futures, reflecting diverging market sentiment. ETH's funding rate turned negative, indicating weak investor confidence. BTC's funding rate remained positive, suggesting relative strength and stability. A negative funding rate for Ethereum implies that perpetual futures prices are consistently below spot prices, a signal that traders expect further weakness in Ethereum's performance. Tariff delay sparks temporary market rebound. By Monday night, a temporary delay in tariffs on Mexico provided a brief relief rally. The S&P Wink with tongue sticking out 500 initially dropped 2% but recovered to end the week nearly flat. However, concerns resurfaced when Trump hinted at new reciprocal tariffs on other countries, rekindling fears of a broader trade war. Gold soared to new all-time highs, as risk-averse investors flocked to safe haven assets. Key events to watch this week. Looking ahead, several major economic reports could influence market sentiment. February 12th, U.S. Consumer Price Index, CPI, report. February 13th, U.S. Producer Price Index, PPI, data. February 14th, U.S. Retail Sales figures. February 14th, Coinbase Global Earnings Report, which could impact crypto-related equities. What's next for the markets? This past week highlighted increased uncertainty across both traditional and crypto markets, driven by trade tensions and tariff policies impacting global risk assets. Ethereum ETFs attracting massive inflows, despite ETH's weak price performance. Market volatility remaining high, as investors weigh macroeconomic risks. Institutional Bitcoin adoption continuing to grow, with U.S. states and financial institutions showing renewed interest. With critical economic data and potential geopolitical developments on the horizon, investors should brace for more turbulence in the coming weeks. Stay tuned for the latest market insights. Join BigONE today and take advantage of the growing cryptocurrency market.